Morning all of you. Today we will discuss change of reporting verb in narration. You had known how to change reporting verb if the sentence of inverted commas is assertive sentence. Then we can use in the place of inverted commas that and reporting verb change tell, tells, told. Okay. Second, if the sentence of inverted commas is yes no type helping verb, this is structure helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object plus question mark. Interrogative sentence. In indirect speech, we change some part of speech in the following methods. Okay. If the sentence of inverted commas means reported speech is in yes no type interrogative sentence, then how can we change reporting verb and inverted commas? But general rule must be followed in every kind of sentence, in every kind of situations when you change from direct to indirect. Okay. First, reporting verb change into रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आपका क्या है, या तो से रहेगा या अगर इसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स इफ से और से टू चेंज इनटू इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच आस्क और इंक्वायर of. Okay, if here is to, then write inquire of. If here is only say, then you can write ask or inquire. Okay, if reporting verb says or says to, says or says to, then reporting verb change into asks or inquires of. Okay, if reporting verb said or said to in both condition, if it has object or not object, in every condition we would have to change reporting verb ask or asked. But in assertive sentence, if reporting verb has object, in this condition the reporting verb change into tells, told. But here is not apply the rule, here is not apply the condition. In every condition, if they have object or not object, in every condition change reporting verb asked. Okay, or inquire of, or inquires of, or inquired of. If here is object, फिर write of. If there is not object, you can write ask or inquires. Okay. Next, in indirect speech, inverted commas remove indirect speech Okay. B remove comma, inverted commas. Okay, comma, inverted comma, and write the place of inverted comma if or whether. Okay, in that speech we remove comma, inverted comma, and write the place of commas, means inverted commas, if or whether, in SNO type interrogative sentence. But in assertive sentence, when inverted commas sentence is in assertive sentence, in the place of inverted commas we write that conjunction. Okay, next there are some changing in indirect speech. Speech, okay, yes no type. Yes no type means what is structure? Helping verb, subject plus main verb plus object plus question mark. Okay, in that speech yes no type sentence change into assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, what is structure? Assertive sentence, subject, helping verb if it is necessary, plus main verb according to tense, object, full stop. Okay, how can I identify assertive sentence? If the sentence end with full stop and you start with noun or pronoun. How can I identify yes no type interrogative sentence? If the sentence end with question mark and start with helping verb. Okay, you can identify clear. Next, general rule. General rule means change of pronoun, change of tense. Okay, in every condition we must follow change of general rule, means change of pronoun and change of tense. Must be followed. Okay, change of pronoun, change of tense, and change of other part of speech. Okay, other part of speech. Okay, let us apply the following rules in direct speech. First, direct speech Mohan says to me, comma, inverted comma, do you go to school daily? Comma, full stop, sorry, question mark. Okay, here is question mark. Change, follow all rules in that speech. First of all, when we change from direct to indirect speech, first of all, we should identify that sentence of inverted commas, because according to this sentence we would have to change reporting verb and inverted commas. How can you identify sentence? The sign of sentence and starting with words. Okay, if sentence start with helping verb and end with question mark, the sentence is yes no type interrogative sentence. If the sentence start with WH word and end with question mark, the sentence is called WH type interrogative sentence. Okay, here is yes no type interrogative sentence. Then we change Mohan says to change into ask me. When we remove this in yes no type interrogative sentence, we replace if or whether. If or whether. Okay, write this or this, both are correct. And next rule, the yes no type interrogative sentence in indirect speech change into assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence of the sentence? Okay. Assertive structure of assertive sentence: subject, helping verb if it is necessary, plus main verb plus subject according to full stop. Identify the tense. Do you go to school daily? The tense is present indefinite. Okay, you know very well the structure of assertive sentence in present indefinite: subject, not helping verb, main verb and object. If subject is plural, main verb is first form. If subject is singular, main verb first form plus ses. Okay, then you go to school daily, full stop. This is assertive sentence of this. Okay, you can apply here you, subjective, but second person pronoun is changed according to reporting verb of object. Okay, here is you subjective case, then we can apply the subjective case of me, I. Okay, go to school daily. Okay, full stop. Here tense is not changed because the reporting verb is in present tense. If the reporting verb is in past tense, we would have to change present indefinite into past indefinite, present continuous into past continuous, है ना. You can write this R. Mohan inquires of me. Okay, you can write ask or inquires of. You can write if or whether. Okay, this is full stop. Okay, next, direct speech. Renu said to Suresh. Okay, Renu said to Suresh, comma, noted comma, did you go चलो, did you give me a pen? yesterday, question mark. Okay, first of all, you would have to identify the sentence of inverted commas. Okay, and then you can identify tense, the tense of sentence is changed or not changed. Okay, if here is present or future tense, the tense of that sentence is not changed. If here is past tense, the tense of the sentence is changed. Okay, how can I identify here present, past, future? Verb second, past indefinite. Verb first, yes yes, present indefinite, will or shall, future indefinite. Okay, let us try. Renu said to change into asked, because here is yes no type interrogative sentence. Okay, Suresh, here comma into comma remove, you can write if or whether. Okay, this is changed into assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, subject है ना, structure of assertive sentence, subject, main verb plus object plus other word plus full stop है ना. This is main verb second form है ना. This is structure of past indefinite, subject, main verb means verb second. This is structure of assertive sentence of past indefinite. Then Renu asked Suresh if you change according to Suresh. Okay, Suresh is third person. The pronoun for Suresh you can use he. Okay, he, you use subjective case, so subjective case of pronoun Suresh he. Okay, give, this is past indefinite. Past indefinite change into past perfect because here is reporting verb is in past tense. Okay, then had given me, change according subject. The pronoun of Renu she, but here is subjective case, so we can use, sorry, here is objective case, so we would have to write objective case of pronoun she, her. Often, yesterday change into the yesterday, previous day, the previous day, full stop. Let's just try to understand again. Here is yes no type interrogative sentence, reporting verb change into asked, inverted comma remove, and then we can apply if and here is assertive sentence. Here is assertive sentence of past indefinite, but we would have to change past indefinite into past perfect because here is past tense. Okay, you change according to Suresh, he. Past perfect had plus verb third form. Me change according to Renu. This is objective case of me. This is objective case me. Here we would have to write objective case of the pronoun of Renu. So we can write her upon yesterday change into the previous day. Okay, and use full stop at the end of the sentence. Next, Rahul said, comma noted comma, can you play with me? Okay, can you play with me? Let us try. First of all, the sentence of inverted commas is yes no type interrogative sentence, so we would have to change reporting verb said or said to into asked. Okay, one things you can identify, here is second person pronoun. Here is second person pronoun. Second person pronoun change according to reporting verb of object, but here is not object. You would have to apply an object. Okay, if here is third person, you can apply first person or third person, you are free, but clear meaning. If here is first person pronoun, you can only write third person pronoun here. Okay, let us try. Rahul asked that. No. If here is assertive sentence, we can apply that the place of comma noted comma, but here is interrogative sentence, then remove comma noted comma and apply if or whether. Okay, what is assertive sentence of the sentence? Assertive sentence, you can play with me. This is assertive sentence, but tense is changed. Tense will be changed and pronoun will be changed. Okay, you change according to object of reporting, but here is no object. You can apply an object for this word, है ना? So you can apply for this me or her, that means you are free. Okay, if here is I, if here is me, then you can write this word I. Tense is change. Tense will be change. Can change into could. Okay, play with me change according to this first person pronoun. Subjective, this here is objective case, so the pronoun of Rahul, he, the objective case of he, him. Okay. Next. Okay, you should try other examples, and if you have any doubt, please ask your question. Okay, thank you very much.